Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your packing experience, the Scotch C-38 Desktop Tape Dispenser. We found this handy tool online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Let's start by discussing what the Scotch C-38 is all about. This is a heavy-duty manual tape dispenser that's designed specifically for standard 1-inch wide packaging tape rolls. It's constructed with a rugged steel frame that not only ensures durability but also makes it suitable for high-volume box sealing in various settings, including shipping, warehouses, and offices. If you find yourself frequently sealing boxes or packages, this dispenser could be a game-changer. One of the standout features of the Scotch C-38 is its ergonomic handle. This design choice is not just for looks, it significantly enhances comfort during extended use. Many tape dispensers can lead to hand fatigue, especially when you're doing a lot of packing. However, the C-38 is crafted to reduce that strain, allowing you to work more efficiently and quickly. Another important feature is the built-in serrated stainless steel blade. This blade provides clean, effortless cuts every time you need to snip the tape. This is crucial in a busy packing environment where wasted tape can mean wasted time and resources. With the Scotch C-38, you can streamline your workflow, making it perfect for fulfillment stations or packing benches where speed and efficiency are key. Moreover, the adjustable tension control is a fantastic addition. This allows you to customize the unwind resistance based on your tape type or application needs. Whether you're using clear tape, tan tape, or reinforced tape, you can ensure a consistent feed without excess waste or the dreaded tape breakage that can slow you down. The dispenser is compatible with standard 1-inch core tape rolls, which can be up to 60 yards long. That's a considerable amount of tape, making it ideal for anyone who regularly handles packaging tasks. And for added safety, especially when not in use, the Scotch C-38 comes with a safety blade cover. This thoughtful feature helps prevent accidents, particularly in busy office environments or around children. So, who is the Scotch C-38 suitable for? Well, it's designed for anyone who engages in high-volume packing, whether you're a small business owner, a warehouse employee, or simply someone who likes to send out packages frequently. If your work involves sealing boxes regularly, this tape dispenser will likely save you time and effort, making it an excellent investment. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're in an office setting where you handle shipping labels and packages, the C-38 can help you seal boxes quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. In a warehouse environment, this dispenser can keep up with high demands, making it easier to manage inventory and shipments without any hiccups. And for e-commerce operations, where packaging is crucial, this tape dispenser can speed up the process, ensuring that your products are securely packed and ready for delivery in no time. In conclusion, the Scotch C-38 Desktop Tape Dispenser is a robust tool designed for anyone needing a reliable and efficient tape dispensing solution. With its durable construction, ergonomic design, and practical features, it's sure to enhance your packing experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.